Hello together. Today I want to show you how to restart and shut down your Redmi Note 11 Pro. In the earlier days it was pretty easy. It didn't matter what kind of electronic device you had. You just had here the top power down button and you pressed it and then it shut down. But here it doesn't shut down, but it starts the Google Assistant. And this is some functionality which I find is pretty annoying, but there are of course possibilities to solve this issue. The Google Assistant is of course part of Android, and because of that Google wants you to use this assistant, and normally you talk with the assistant like this. Okay Google, how is the weather? So you can see that Google is responding to my voice, and I think that is enough. I don't think that I must press here this button to start the assistant. So first of all, you can shut down and restart your Redmi Note 11 Pro pretty easily if you press this button and don't let your finger go and just press it for 3 seconds. And when you press it for 3 seconds, the Google Assistant first will arrive and will show up, but then after 3 seconds you will see the shutdown screen. So you can see here I just press the button for 3 seconds, and you can see here airplane silent, reboot or power off, and then I can just press it and just shut it down. So this is one possibility, and without changing something with the Google Assistant, just press your finger 3 seconds on the power down button, on the power button, and then you can restart it or shut it down. The second possibility is to deactivate the possibility that Google Assistant will start when you press it for a short time. And for that, we must go here in the settings. And when we are here in the settings, we go a little bit down to additional settings. And here we have gesture shortcuts. At the top, you can see launch Google Assistant. Press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds. I press it here, and here you can see press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds, and then I can disable it. So what will happen now if I press it? It will directly go to reboot and power off, silent and airplane. So you can shut down and restart your Redmi Note 11 Pro much faster. I will demonstrate it again. And when I enable it again, the Google Assistant will start, and then I have to press 3 seconds. So you can start and you can shut down and restart your Redmi Note 11 Pro with Google Assistant enabled or not. If you don't want to wait a much longer time, 3 seconds to shut it off, you can just disable the launching of the Google Assistant with the power button. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed until now. We'll see us the next time. Bye bye.